The month-long Ramadan Bazaar in Donggongon is likely to start around the 22nd of March, 2023. This bazaar is an annual treat that many Malaysians, regardless of religious persuasion, look forward to when the Muslim fasting month rolls in. Who can resist the temptation to patronize the mouth-watering dishes and beverages being promoted at such Ramadan Bazaar, and where else one might find food stall after food stall selling every Malaysian's favorite predominantly Malay starters, mains and desserts. To the uninitiated, one can spend a whole hour or more stopping at every stall, rapaciously assessing each mouth-watering offering. And, if one is shopping on a fasting stomach, certainly everything will look good and delicious. Indeed, shopping at a Ramadan Bazaar is a rite of passage. If discipline is not exercised, it is easy to come to the end of the street overladen with plastic bags of food, and the mortifying realization of having bought too much. However, some seasoned buyers make a few quick purchases and then escape with their budgets relatively intact. Yesterday, the 1st of March, I witnessed some personnel measuring the ground area where the annual Ramadan Bazaar was usually held in Donggongon Township. The ground is being marked into lots, measuring 10 meters by 10 meters each, that can be rented for 280 Malaysian ringgit for the whole duration of the Ramadan Bazaar, which is from the 22nd of March to the 22nd of April 2023 and operates from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. daily. For this year's Ramadan Bazaar, the organizer planned to have 40 lots, of which 25 lots have already been booked since yesterday. Last year, there were only 29 lots. Witnessing the positive vibes in town on this particular event last year, I think it is not out of place if I repeat to suggest that commercial activities like this can and should be extended to other important festivals being celebrated by the various communities in Sabah, like the Lunar New Year, Kaamatan Festival and Christmas. Even just a day or two before the festival, I believe, this can certainly foster better understanding among the people to strengthen their interracial harmony, especially when the government is seen working hard in this direction.